Good morning. Igolong kita berata na susah belum mipla stop long country belum mipla long West Melanesia. Now night long America long Virginia where me stop long here. Na continue long go live long make him sampla ya awareness. Igolong olgeta brata na susah belum yumi stop long 1.5 you play stop. Whether you stop long country belum mipla long West Melanesia or West Papua, you misawe call him today, or you sawe stop long Indonesia, or you sawe stop long Pacific region, or Melanesians, aku pelege, or you stop long Australia, or you stop long New Zealand, or long 1.5 you stop. Long Europe, or your long Africa, or long your ASEAN country, you plus stop long yan. Or here in America, time you looking me go live long social media account below me, Herman Waingai. You play sawe finish. Long one and something. Me bin tok long yan, long plus struggle belong Yumi, osem Yumi and Melanesia ya, Yumi Melanesia, Melanesian country, Melanesian nation. Now Yumi like him establish our West Melanesian government system, we separate from Indonesia. Osem na Yumi call him country belong Yumi as a Republic of West Melanesia instead of Yumi using Papua. Because Melanesia and me identify Yumi as a Melanesian. Also, brata na susah belong Yumi. Independence finish long Melanesian country, yeah? From east side, it come long west side where Mipla stop long West Melanesia, long west side. Also, na long number 14 December long proclamation day belong Yumi long number 14 December 1988 where Yumi established our own government, our own nations, our own country separate from Indonesia, where Yumi calling Republic of West Melanesia. Osem now me go pass long end na talk la making international awareness, long educating our people, or even though all brata na susah all geta sapota blue Yumi, stop long 1.5 you stop. Time you harim 1 something me talk, time you reading 1 something me writing, long timeline blow me Herman Waingai. You play looking finish as a mouseman, as a spokesperson of Republic of West Melanesia. Mila continue long raising awareness, international awareness, long 1 something. You may be struggling, you may be fight, it come long Indonesian prisons. Once again, journey belum mipla, it come long Indonesian prison, yeah? Long Indonesian prison. Time mipla established, time mipla proclaiming independent state belum mipla, where mipla call him Republic of West Melanesia. Time mipla established our country, our new nation, our new government, our new country, mipla call him Republic of West Melanesia. And Yumi got our own constitution. Yumi got our own flag. Yumi got our own currency, where Yumi call him Florin Melanesia. And our own currency. Now, mipla got our own national language, where mipla using English as a one plan national language belong Yumi. Na Yumi using talk plus Malay, Melanesian Papua Malay. Or Yumi using talk pidgin Melanesia where me now using na talk na seri message long today. Now Yumi establish our guidelines belong country belong Mipla. When Mipla established our 14 professional administration, Gawanas where Mipla established on our own country, where you play looking and 14 star, and Makim was you be by establish 14 professional administration where under our own constitution were separate from Indonesia. Indonesia arrested me because of this flag. Once again, Indonesia government arrested me because of this flag. Indonesian government arrested sampla leader belum Mipla. Established Indonesian prison for more than 10 years, 15 years. Especially our founding father, Dr. Tong Waingai. Indonesia arrested him. Now put him inside Indonesian prison for 20 years. 20 years in prison because of this flag, our own heritage flag, Melanesian flag. So you may establish our own nations and identify who we are. We are as a Melanesian. We are not Dutch. We are not Indonesia. Once again, Proclamation number 14 December 1988, where in 10 days, Mipla by celebration, now here along America by me go past, now making our public statement outside from Indonesian government lo making. Some years ago finished. Journey belum Mipla start from Indonesian prisons, now it come inside from exile. Even though Indonesian government killing our founding father, Dr. Tom Waingai, our leader, that time long Indonesian regime, Suharto dictatorship regime, where Indonesian government arrested Dr. Tom Waingai, now put him on 20 years prison. Also Nelson Mandela, 27 years long South Africa. Long South Africa, long political apartheid system where Nelson Mandela and his serving 27 years long prison. Long our own country, after proclamation number 14 December, our leader, political leader, Dr. Tong Waingai, one time All-Geta leader belum Mipla, one time Mipla. Indonesian government arrested Mipla. Now Indonesian government put him Dr. Tong Waingai long 20 years prison times. Now behind only killing him. Indonesian government killing our political leader, our founding father. Alma mater blow Fulbright, where Emi study, where Emi preparing our own constitution, preparing our own nations, our own government, Melanesian government system where you may continue long and long fight. Now, raising awareness, igolong international community, raising awareness, igolong our brother na susah belum Yumi. Istaplong Melanesian country, istaplong Vanuatu, istaplong Fiji, istaplong Solomon Islands, istaplong Kanaki, istaplong Papua New Guinea or Bougainville. Mipla, Melanesian people, who we are, black, dark skin, also Melanesian words, long Greek language, meaning Melanos na nations. Melanos, meaning that Mipla, Yumi, as a people where God and creating, now putting Mipla along islands where Mipla living long this country, long this island, long this place, where Mipla he got dark skin, or you may call him black. Also, you look in our flag, identify our own nations, our own state, our own country. We are Melanesians, dark skin. Now, nation means islands, place where Melanesian people and stop long end. Dark skin, dark people, community, where God and creating people where same or same image belong God. And stop on that island. Also on number 14 December 1988, Mipla proclaiming West Papua and also our own country, also West Melanesia, Mipla is how we call him, Republic of West Melanesia. Mr. Long Indonesian prisons, because long this flag, time you may use him Morning Star flag where you may all get a isawe, you may all get a sawe, or Morning Star flag, and was first day where only raise him long December 1st, 1961, where you may isawe look him long campaign long you me. And was campaign, yeah? You me campaign. Also make him noise. Making people around the world only look sawe long ongoing struggle along our land. As long 1st December, Emino belong independent state belong Mipla. And plan belong Dutch government. And the government block, where Dutch only call him long regulation belong all. Also, Morning Star and regulated by the government blood. Government blood, the kingdom belong Dutch, Netherlands. Long article number 68, 1961, where Morning Star regulated under the Dutch government system, because Morning Star flag designed by one lawyer, belong Dutch people. Only call him Mr. Ero de Rike. So, Dutch government, creating this flag, now promise. That's all one and something it come up long history where you may learning together from 1960s where Dutch government it betrayal our people. Not fulfill one and something only promise long government blood belong all. Now salim our land, our people. Now making Indonesia come inside now establish ruling our country since 1963, 1st May. Indonesia government come inside long country belong Mipla because long Sampla international agreement. Where you may isawe na you may lanim na misawe writing na publish na time you pela I reading our West Melanesian legal argument where you may writing long the Washington solution document where you may make him clear long finish article long the Rome agreement. Now this agreement, Indonesia and the Dutch government only agree together, helped by American government to mediate. Now this promise, where after 25 years, Indonesian government got responsibility to developing our own country, our own people, long one day must kiss independence. Now, when something come up from Dutch run away, go finish, betrayal our people. Dutch government, betrayal our people. Betrayal. One flag where only promise not making. And legal argument behind on this kind flag where you may use him not campaign. That's all triple story. Long make him something ikilia lo I belong God. Make him something ikilia lo I belong people below Yumi. Yumi must proclaim him. Yumi must proclaim mercy. Make him one plus proclamation. Proclaiming our own nations, our own state, where Mipla Inapong living under foreigner government, people, also Dutch. Independence belong West Papua, or you may call him West Melanesia, must separate from Dutch people, must separate from Indonesia. Also now you may proclaiming this flag. Flag by showing our own flag, our own constitution, our own government. Now people must take responsibility in a fight one time Indonesia. Also now Indonesian government arresting me because long this flag twice long Indonesian prisons. It got plenty leader stop long Indonesian prison because long this flag. Plenty people only can fight using guerrilla way, only can campaign, raising flag, long one and half. That's all taking responsibility legal inside long Indonesian code. Now serving life from prison. Inoga plenty man Mary, inoga plenty leader going inside long Indonesian prisons. Only few people. Now Mipla, as a leader, as a political leader, as a diplomat, as a West Melanesian representative, now here along America. Mipla like calling, continue calling. It go along United Nations. Mipla like continue calling along US government. Also na Mipla iratim, what him something you may call him, the Washington solution. So, thank you for Olgeta Brata na Susa, usat kami struggle, one time Mipla, stand up one time Mipla, na resin, morning star, flag, long remaining international community long ongoing conflict. Na long talk long legal perspective under international law, Mipla igat international legal argument. Where Miss Sawe talk, where Indonesian government arrested me because on this flag, Indonesian government arrested me. Mipla explaining guidelines. Mipla explaining our own constitution. Mipla explaining what and meaning long this flag. You mean Sawe finish. Black. What a meaning on this flag? Meaning black. Black I mean soy Muslim. You mean Melanesia. Dark skin. You mean living on one island where blessed islands. Where you mean call it West Papua or West Melanesia. So you mean using Melanesia instead of Papua because I mean identify who we are. Now white. I mean soy Muslim. You mean it got Trupla hard, where struggle from country belong Mipla. Now Mipla like establish our own government. Now red emo soy Muslim. Mipla is a freedom fighter. Mipla is a people. Mipla continue fight. Go past long struggle. Brave. Melanesian people and brave people. Now, Mipla is all finished, yeah? Plenty people die finish because long our desire, our dreaming, long independence, one day separate from Indonesian government. Now, you play looking this flag green. Green color, I mean soy Muslim. Our land West Papua or Melanesian land or West Melanesian land. Any blessed land, plenty full up of natural resources. Green, full up of natural resources, you name it. Start from gold, start from oil. Now one kind, natural resources where any start from country belum mipla. And blessed land. West Papua, any blessed land. West Melanesia, any blessed land. Green. Now, you probably looking, it got 14 star. And we mark him 14 administrations. Professional, yeah? Where any important, where you mean by establish our own government. 14, government as professional, along our own administration, along our own country, from Sorong to Merauke. Now, you probably looking at them long, sit down from 14 star and also making cross. And it's showing them long West Papua or West Melanesia, Mipla Melanesian people, the majority, and Christianity, and the majority, we are God's people. Mipla believe long Allah Bapa, anaknya Tuhan kami Yesus Kristus dan Roh Kudus. God belong Yumi. Yahweh, Abraham, Ishak, na Jacob. Yahweh belong Yumi. As a believer, as a God's people, when me play like peace, me play like living in our country, enjoy our own freedom. Me play God's people, God blessing our own people, and separate from Indonesia. Also, me play like establish our own constitutions, our own government, our own nations. Must independence, nation, state, separate from Indonesia, where me play calling Republic of West Melanesia. So independent nations from MIPLA, any important. So MIPLA must play our diplomatic role. Where time MIPLA independence become part of Melanesian family. Part of Pacific family. Now part of United Nations as a new country, new member of United Nations. Where now MIPLA start from America, like continue to regime this plan. Message, international awareness, voting continue non-violently, peacefully. MIPLA is stand up, MIPLA believe long non-violence resistance. MIPLA believe long non-violence. Time MIPLA talk long non-violence. Non-violence means love. Non-violence means peace. Belize, where you may use him, our international legal argument, our own understanding about what United Nations, UN Charter, only so we talk from United Nations. So time you may learn him as Indonesian people only independence because of one proclamations. Now MIPLA, West Papua, Melanesian people, MIPLA too got right. Long establish our own government, our own nations, our own state, where MIPLA calling Republic of West Melanesia. As a mouseman, as a spokesperson of Republic of West Melanesia, where now Mr. from America, from long plot journey, he come from Indonesian prisons, using our Melanesian canoe, travel cross border, abrusim solwara, igolong Australia, na creating international diplomatic cause between Indonesian government and Australian, because Karai Blomipla, as a mouseman, as a spokesperson, belong our people, long looking long international legal perspective, where our own people, got right, long establish our own nations. Mipla as a leader, Indonesian government always targeting Mipla, la try long killing Mipla. That's all. Thank you, long God, blessing our own journey from Indonesian prisons, igolong Australia, na now mi stop long America. Na blessing long God, pray long country long Yumi, pray long our own people. Blessing where me receive him political asylum status as asyl long here long America. Me talk thank you long God, thank you long one and something. U.S. government and me consider my political asylum. Where me believe that one day my people belong Yumi, must live freely, peacefully, along our own country. Now, me like using our own language, talk pidgin Melanesia, unify our people. Me like using talk English, unify our people. Me like using our talk plus Malay, unify our people. Where any regulated under our own constitution. Where our founding father, Dr. Tom Huangai, Emir writing 163 article, they our own constitution, where any preparing that our people ready to establish our new nations, new country. Now have our new flag. Flag belong Yumi, Emina belong Dutch people. Flag belong Mipla, Emina belong Dutch people. This flag, and it belongs our own people. Our own people. As a Melanesian people. Even though 20 years, time you raising this flag. 20 years from Indonesian prisons. Mr. Plon Indonesian prisons few times. Long legal argument belum Mipla. Indonesia must recognizing our own independent state nations. Also, na proclamation number 14 December 1988. Emi come up. Long country belum Mipla. So, thank you, Brata Nasusa belong Yumi. Display Emily click explanations. Talk. Miserim. Long my social media account belum me. Na explaining. Awesome. Yumi learn him together. Belong history. One problem, Emi come up. Time Yumi learn him history. Now, one political solutions. One international legal argument where you may find way long solution. Also na you may like propose the Washington solution as our diplomatic approach. If you may learn in recent days or recent weeks where Palestine na Israel long two-state solutions where you may learn him long have peacefully long Karim message where blessing from God. President Donald Trump and he proposed 20 article long peaceful long sing down long one name come up long Israel na Palestine. Na pray belum Mipla as a Melanesian people. Pray belum Mipla as a West Melanesian people, we mipla iratim our own proposal. Diplomatic approach, we mipla iratim presenting igolong US government. Na bel belum mipla, pray belum mipla, igolong God. Blessing our struggle na larim good pla solution must come up long country belum mipla na people belum mipla igat right long live freely peacefully long country belum mipla as a new nations, new country, new nation, new country, new government, Republic of West Melanesia. Brata na susah belum iplas na belum ples, continue pray, not fasting. Long struggle belum Yumi. God bless Yumi Olgeta.